Hi guys, and welcome back to another ride. This is my route back from the office side. It's just such a beautiful day, so I thought I will bring you guys along on the route back as well. And I hope you enjoy this little video. It's just on the Sherman, riding the canal path. It is fairly dry, and I'm going to be using, most of the time I'm going to be using the Insta360 for some music, so you can sit back and enjoy a bit of Sherman action. This is the Sherman Gen 1. The wheel was bought from SPEEDYFEET. This was Ian's, own wheel, and he just didn't get time to ride it. So I did a test drive on it, and that's where it ended. It's very hard not to like a Sherman. It's just, you know, I was just cruising next to the canal, and it's just such a stable, solid wheel. It's just absolutely amazing, absolutely amazing. And I think that Sherman Max is going to be, it's just taking all the feedback that the people said, and it's just going to make it even better for us riders. And I think it's for medium to the high-end riders. It's just a get up and go thing. You know, you get a seat attachment on these rails or the cage. It's just such a lot of options that you can fit to this wheel. That is easy, man. It's just absolutely easy. But yeah, guys, I hope you like this little video, and if you do, please give it a big thumbs up and share it out to your friends so we can grow this channel. Yeah, let's check out the Sherman quickly. A proper mud guard as well. You know, you need a mud guard. You know, if you're going to spend a lot of money on a wheel, you need a mud guard, built in or a clip-on, and it needs to be inside the box. Not more money because you've just spent money. It needs to be inside the box for free. Come on, guys. But yeah, let's go. Let's get this Insta360 out and let's get some action next to the canal. Hope you enjoy it. Let's get going. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this little ride video with the Insta360 and the Sherman bombarding next to the canal. It's a good old workout on the legs, to be honest, because I haven't ridden like this is about 20 mile round trip, and it's good exercise. Mini squats all the way. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you on the next video. And if you haven't, please subscribe, like, share, do all the funky things so I can grow this channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.